Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the armrest from a Golf. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Torx T20 screwdriver for the primary fasteners, a flathead screwdriver for gentle prying, and a trim removal tool to protect your interior. Having a small container nearby is also a great idea to keep all your screws organized and prevent them from getting lost during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy removal. Now, let's begin by accessing the armrest's interior. Start by opening the armrest lid completely, revealing the storage compartment. Inside, you will find a rubber mat at the bottom. Gently lift and remove this mat. Beneath it, you will see two Torx screws. Use your Torx T20 screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove these two fasteners. Keep them safe in your container. With the initial screws out, we can now detach the main armrest unit. Carefully use your trim removal tool to pry up the plastic trim surrounding the armrest base. Work slowly to avoid any damage to the surrounding console. Once the trim is lifted, you will discover two more Torx screws. Remove these two fasteners with your Torx T20 screwdriver, and the armrest unit will now be loose. Finally, with all the screws removed, the armrest is almost free. Gently lift the entire armrest unit a few inches to expose any electrical connectors underneath. Carefully disconnect these wires, usually just one or two, by pressing their release tabs. Once all connections are clear, you can lift the armrest unit straight up and away from the center console. You have successfully removed the armrest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.